Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The Best Beekeeper Kit is probably one of the most essential investments a budding apiarist can make, offering a comprehensive solution to safely and effectively manage a beehive, ensuring both the well-being of your colony and the success of your honey harvest. Number 5. Beehive Starter Kit 10 Frame Bee Boxes and Frames. This comprehensive kit provides all the essential components to begin your beekeeping journey. It includes a pre-assembled, wax-coated deep brood box for your bees' home. You'll also find unassembled deep brood frames made from high-quality pine wood. These come with black food-grade plastic foundation sheets, dipped in 100% beeswax for your bees' health. The kit is complete with a wax-coated solid bottom board, a telescoping top cover, an inner cover, a queen excluder, and an entrance reducer, ensuring a functional and secure hive. Crafted from durable, wax-coated cedarwood and pinewood frames, this hive is both stylish and built to last. The food-grade plastic foundation ensures the safety of your honey. Beyond the hive itself, this starter kit includes a wide array of beekeeping tools. You'll receive a bee smoker, frame holder, gloves, cleaning tools, and much more to assist you. With this all-in-one solution, you have everything necessary to establish your own apiary. It's designed for ease of use and the well-being of your bee colony. What we like. This kit comes with a fully assembled deep brood box, saving you initial setup time. It also includes a comprehensive set of beekeeping tools for various tasks. If you are looking for a convenient and ready-to-go setup with all the essentials, this is a great choice for beginners who want to start quickly. What people say. The main box, a standard size 8-frame deep hive box, comes fully assembled. Dovetail joints and wood screws are tight, and the universal Langstroth sizing means it will work with other equipment as the apiary grows, including additional 8-frame supers once you start stacking them on top. The entire exterior is coated in a thick layer of natural beeswax, which is a nice alternative to paint and provides a solid weather barrier that should last several seasons before needing a new coat. The frames themselves do require assembly. Small nails are included, but I also recommend a little wood glue on the joints. It's not too hard, just takes some time and patience. The frames are standard wood frames and come with plastic foundation that has a base coat of wax and smells really nice. In a comb pattern to encourage the bees to build out their comb efficiently. The accessory package is surprisingly comprehensive for a starter set. It comes with a standard smoker and plenty of fuel pellets, along with a wide variety of hive tools for prying apart the propolis that bees use to seal the lid. Specialized gear like the uncapping knife is shaped at the perfect angle to reach the majority of honey caps for extraction. The frame hangers are a major convenience for keeping frames off the ground during hive inspections and maintaining proper bee space. The kit includes a queen excluder, which is vital once you start adding supers on top, for keeping the queen in the bottom box and ensuring that future honey supers stay clear of brood. It also includes protective gloves and a veil, which are helpful for a beginner or when dealing with a more defensive colony. It provides almost every specialized tool needed to manage a hive through the first year. Number 4. BeeCastle Beekeeping Tools Kit. Introducing the BeeCastle Beekeeping Tools Kit, your all-in-one solution for beekeeping. This comprehensive set is designed for both beginners and seasoned professionals. This kit includes 22 essential beekeeping tools, covering everything from hive inspection to honey harvesting. It even comes with a durable organizer handbag to keep everything neat. Easily check your hives with the included tools like a bee smoker, frame holder, and bee brush. We've thought of every detail to make your inspections smooth and efficient. Harvesting honey becomes a breeze with specialized tools such as an uncapping fork, scraper, and filter bag. Get the most out of your hive's production with ease. Manage your queen bees effectively with our dedicated marking tools. This set includes a marking tube and cages to help you identify and care for your queen. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, plastic, wood, and nylon, these tools are built for durability. You can rely on them for years of beekeeping. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one toolkit designed for both beginners and professionals. It boasts 22 essential beekeeping tools, neatly organized in a durable handbag. If you prioritize having a portable and comprehensive collection of high-quality tools for all aspects of beekeeping, from hive inspection to honey harvesting, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. These are the same items that you could choose when shopping at the larger beekeeping supply houses. The frame holder that I received is much nicer than the one pictured. The flat bars that slip over the hive top are both long and they are thick, welded well, and the entire holder is heavy duty and will last a very long time, if not forever, as I can't imagine this thing breaking. The sheet metal they are made from feels like quality steel and will probably hold a edge once sharpened. Number 3. MayBee Beekeeping Supplies Beekeeper Starting Kit. Embark on your beekeeping journey with our comprehensive starter kit. It includes all the essential tools and protective gear you need to begin. This kit provides a powerful bee smoker, feeders, and crucial hive accessories to manage your apiary effectively. You'll also find smoker pellets for convenience. Your safety is paramount. We've included a protective bee veil and a pair of durable beekeeping gloves to ensure you're well protected during hive inspections. Keep your beehives in top condition with our selection of essential tools. This includes a frame holder, cleaning shovel, brush, and specialized J&L hooks. Easily access your honeycombs with our uncapping tools. The kit features an uncapping knife, a general uncapping tool, and a fork for precise work. Identify and manage your queen bees with ease. This kit includes 2 types of queen cages and a marking tube for clear identification. What we like. This kit provides a solid selection of 24 beekeeping tools, covering essential hive management and honey harvesting needs. It also includes necessary protective gear to get you started safely. If you're a beginner looking for a well-rounded set of tools and basic protective equipment to begin your beekeeping journey, this option offers good value. What people say. Even the frame holder in picture isn't what I got, not wire. It was a welded metal bracket X2 for holding frames. Way nicer quality. You usually never get nicer than pictured, quite always the opposite. The kit really has everything I need and more. I never imagined the quality of the items in my kit would be so durable and simple to use. The tools are sturdy and easy to use with the Hive. Very nice set and helpful with my new bees. Number 2. Beehive 10 Frame Bee Box Starter Kit. Experience unmatched durability and waterproofing with our thick, full beeswax coating. This ensures a dry interior, promoting efficient honey production and saving you the hassle of painting. Crafted from premium cedar and pine, this hive resists warping and cracking. It provides excellent insulation, keeping your bees comfortable and safe year-round. Our transparent observation window allows you to monitor hive activity without disturbance. With built-in ventilation, it ensures a healthy environment for your bees and better honey quality. This kit includes a deep and a medium box with 10 frames, offering ample space for your bees. Its standard size ensures compatibility with most beekeeping equipment. Designed with pre-cut dovetails and pre-drilled holes, assembly is a breeze. Enjoy a tighter, more stable structure with clear instructions provided. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to get started. It includes all essential components for setting up a fully functional beehive with ease. What we like. This beehive features a unique transparent observation window, allowing you to easily monitor your bees' activity without disturbance. The thick beeswax coating ensures excellent waterproofing and durability. If you are a curious beekeeper who enjoys observing the inner workings of the hive and wants a low-maintenance, long-lasting hive, this is an excellent option. What people say. The kit is well made and includes all the essential tools for a beginner beekeeper. The smoker is effective and produces a good amount of smoke, which is crucial for calming the bees. The veil provides excellent protection and visibility, allowing for safe and comfortable hive inspections. Number 1. MayBee Hive's 10-frame Langstroth Beehive Starter Kit. Get started with beekeeping with this comprehensive starter kit. It includes everything you need to set up your first hive. Our hives are fully dipped in 100% pure beeswax. This coating provides superior waterproofing and durability for long-lasting use. Crafted from top-grade cedar wood, this beehive is built to last. The beeswax coating further enhances its resistance to the elements. Designed for your convenience, it features pre-drilled holes and pre-cut dovetail joints. Assembly is straightforward, even for beginners. This complete kit comes with 2 deep boxes, 1 medium super, 30 frames and foundations, a solid bottom board, queen excluder, and top cover. The deep brood boxes and medium super are standard sizes, ensuring a comfortable and suitable environment for your bees. What we like. This kit offers a substantial setup with 2 deep brood boxes and 1 medium super box, providing ample space for a growing colony and honey production. All components are dipped in 100% beeswax for superior durability and protection. If you are looking for a larger, more established hive setup from the start or plan for significant honey yields, this kit is a great investment. What people say. The pre-drilled holes with screws for the assembly of the boxes. This made assembly so much quicker and easier. The boxes fit together smoothly and quickly, and I feel like these will hold up nicely with screws. The accuracy of the joinery is spot-on. The dovetails were all perfect. They are slightly tight due to the wax dipping, but then it aids with lubrication. Wood color is beautiful. Handle cuts in all 4 sides. Frames and foundation are very nice. The joints are solid and the assembly was very easy, and the wax made the seam seal up very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.